Good morning. We are done with the coffee. All right. Today's project, we're getting back on the UTV. Amazon finally delivered it. I don't even remember what time. We're not even going to get into that. Today's a positive day. And here we have, so far, we did a little bit of off camera work. Yes, all this does need to still be cleaned up. It's just mock up. We originally designed this to hold the biggest battery that it would hold. By the time we added all the crazies and all the whatevers, well, this battery, as we recall, was going to be going back here. So, with that said, this is a perfect spot for the electronics for the original plan. Run all this through. That's our battery, which we'll have to solder in the new connection for the batteries. Run all this through, and there's about a 90% chance I'll actually sleeve all this, because I like clean. I can't stand having 80 wires just piled up somewhere looking like they belong, unless they actually do belong. This, we mentioned, we're going to be changing out the off and on switch into that toggle, which makes it look like the shifter. Will be cutting and soldering here. We're going to feed this down through a channel. Yeah. And then, I don't know how this happened. We're just going to go with the good Lord was looking out at the time. But a perfect snug fit, to the point that, oh, it did come out this time. Oh, wrong one. There we go. Where we'll actually pull this off. You can actually hold it. So that was a amazing, I don't even want to say accident, just it worked out. We are going to run this into an interior, into a channel, into the frame. Everything nice and clean. Where are we at? Okay, so with that said, we started off camera mocking up the, mocking up the bed area. As you can see, we haven't punched the hole yet. We're going to do everything, and then we'll do that afterwards. So let's pull these real quick. Something else that I love too: ease installation, ease of removal. We might actually open that hole up just a tad. When all this is done, the idea is all this will be at least watertight from the bottom. I can't guarantee that to the top, but we're going to figure something out. So we've got this set up right here. This will be the end of it. We're going to come down. We've actually cut a few pieces. We're going to come down here on the back and maybe drop it to about right in here, maybe. That'll give enough depth for the battery to sit down into. License plate mount, brake lights, strobing LEDs, maybe a few footstep things, anchors for we've got these metal plates. We've got these. We're definitely going to be putting these on at least a few points, probably the front points, back points, and just whatever else we can integrate to make it look extremely functional. And with that said, let's get started. Okay, so here we are. We have gotten a fender well built in. Be honest with you, I'm thinking about changing the whole idea from the original with all this, that, and the other. We're going to get this built first, and then we're going to come up with what we're going to do in the back. We're definitely doing some toolboxes, some type of storage, because I just love having storage. Um, you saw the process. It was just simple. Like, you don't need a lot of crazy tools when you're doing stuff like this. A little bit of imagination, some basic tools. I mean, this is literally what I've been using. Um, Anybody curious? The reason these voids are in is because I'm debating on putting some lighting in right here, whether it be here, or a strobing LED here and a side marker light here. Just leaving this open for options. We're going to have another piece that goes on that'll actually match out the curve. It'll be a little bit more down to where it looks like a true fender well. As you can see, oops, as you can see, dun, 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 nice good clearance. That's bottomed out right there. So we got good clearance. Shouldn't have any problem rubbing on anything. Just a good area. So I'm not going to bore you with the whole building the other side. That was the basics. We are going to get the other side built. We're going to probably get this drilled in right here. And we'll do a little bit of off-camera work. It's just a lot easier. So check back with us, and we will keep you updated.